Today we are going to show you how to change a flat tire. First, you may signalize your car is stopped with a reflector warning in a safe distance. After, check the step tire to be sure it's full of air. Then, with a wrench and a jack, you will do all the service. Loose the lug nuts while the car is on the ground. Otherwise, you cannot get the lug nuts loosened. Now you're going to lift the car with the jack on a safe point of the frame. Be patient. It can take some time. With the lug nuts already loosened, you take them off of the wheel. Keep them in a closer hand. Now, you can take the flat tire off to put the new one on the car. Find the holes to put the lug nuts back. Screw them up. Lower the vehicle and screw it tight using your foot. So now, put back the lug nut caps. Hey man, don't you forget your reflective warning on the road. Keep the flat tire to repair after, put the jack and the wrench on its places. Done. Now your car is ready to be on the road again.
Get your motor running, head out on the highway, looking for adventure, and whatever comes our way. explode into space. I like smoke and lightning.